A very good morning and a very warm welcome to one and all present here. I, Garudangayat, along with my friend Akshat Bangarwa, am here to present before you all an assembly on National Youth Day, celebrated in the remembrance of Swami Vivekananda. Let us start the day by seeking God's blessing.
Swami Vivekananda said that true guidance is like a small torch in a dark forest. It doesn't show everything at once. Now, I would like to invite my friends to lay emphasis on the Youth Day.
National Youth Day is an annual festival of India. It falls on the 12th of January. National Youth Day is the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand. It is a national event, so the people of every religion celebrate the day with great enthusiasm. Swami Vivekanand was a gem for India. Celebrating his birth anniversary is not less than an achievement for India. The National Youth Day is a day for the youth to contribute towards the nation. The youth of any country is the strength of their motherland. Their participation in various social reforming services is always appreciable.
National Youth Day is important as it inspires young people. The life and teachings of Vivekanand are a source of great inspiration for young minds. It honors a great spiritual leader. India also celebrates the birthday of Swami Vivekanand and remembers his invaluable contribution to the country. It's an eventful day. Debates, speeches, rallies, seminars, and many other activities take place in schools, colleges, and local youth clubs on this day.
Swami Vivekanand, born Narendranath Datta, was an Indian Hindu monk. He was a chief disciple of the 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna. He was a key figure in the introduction of the Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world and is credited with raising interfaith awareness, bringing Hinduism to the status of a major world religion during the late 19th century. He was a major force in the revival of Hinduism in India and contributed to the concept of Indian nationalism as a tool to fight against the British Empire in colonial India. Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Math and the Ramakrishna Mission. He is perhaps best known for his speech, which began with the words "Sisters and Brothers of America," in which he introduced Hinduism at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago in 1893.
Swami Vivekananda suggested to try to give up jealousy and conceit and learn to work unitedly for others. He told that purity, patience, and perseverance overcome all obstacles. He suggested to take courage and work on. According to him, education is the process by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, and intellect is sharpened, as a result of which one can stand on one's own feet. He always believed that development of a nation is not possible without real education.
Thank you, Nitya, Trisha, Kanupriya, and Sia, for enlightening us with the meaning and importance of the Youth Day.
Now, I would like to conclude the assembly with a motivational song.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हर तरफ जुल्म है, बेबसी है, सहमा सहमा सा हर आदमी है। पाप का बोझ बढ़ता ही जाए, जाने कैसे ये धरती थमी है। बोझ ममता का तू ये उठा ले, तेरी रचना का ये अंत होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। हम चले नेक रस्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रस्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम अंधेरे में है रोशनी दे, खो न दे खुद को ही दुश्मनी से। हम सजा पाए अपने किए की, मौत भी हो तो सहले खुशी से। कल जो गुजरा है फिर से न गुजरे, आने वाला वो कल ऐसा होना। हम चले नेक रस्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रस्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रस्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर